Want arms that turn heads? Flexed biceps. Stop wasting time on random curls. Here's the ultimate biceps workout that builds peak, thickness, and insane pump, all in one routine. Let's go. Exercise 1. Seated dumbbell curl, strict form builder. Sit on a bench with dumbbells in both hands. Curl one or both arms up toward your shoulders while keeping your elbows tucked close to your body. Focus on squeezing the biceps at the top, then lower slowly back to the starting point. Maintain tight core and zero momentum. Go for 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Kneecap 2 dumbbell hammer curl, for thickness and strength. Hammer curls not only target your biceps but also train the brachialis muscle, which adds thickness to your arms. Grab dumbbells with a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your body as you curl the dumbbells up to shoulder height. Lower them back slowly with control. Perform for sets of 8 to 12 representatives based on your strength level. Kneecap 3 incline dumbbell curl, long head isolation. This move is excellent for targeting the long head of the biceps and creating that peak. Sit on an incline bench with your back supported and a pair of light dumbbells in hand. Let your arms hang down fully stretched, then curl the dumbbells up to shoulder level. Lower them slowly while keeping full tension on your biceps. Perform for sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Kneecap for EZ bar curl, strong grip and stability. Compared to a straight barbell curl, the EZ bar provides a more natural grip and reduces wrist strain. Hold the bar with an underhand grip and start with light weight. Keep your body stable as you curl the bar up to shoulder height. Squeeze your biceps at the top for 1 second, then lower with control. This also helps strengthen your forearms. Perform for sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Kneecap 5 EZ bar preacher curl, strict form, no cheating. This is one of the best bicep isolation exercises. Sit on the preacher bench with your arms resting on the pad. Grip the EZ bar with an underhand grip and curl it upward. Squeeze your biceps hard at the top, then slowly bring the bar back down. Since your body is locked in place, this eliminates cheating and forces your biceps to do all the work. Perform for sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Kneecap 6 reverse grip EZ bar curl, for brachialis and forearms. This exercise targets the brachialis and brachioradialis muscles, giving your arms extra thickness. The form is similar to the standard EZ bar curl, but here you grip the bar with an overhand grip. Curl the bar up to shoulder level, squeeze your biceps and forearms together for a second, then lower with control. This is a great finishing move to create a solid pump. Perform for sets of 8 to 12 representatives.